Hello, welcome to GGTV. I'm Gracie, one of the co-founders of Ground Grooves, and we're going to do a fish roll tutorial right now. That's it. Okay, we're going to break down the fish roll into a few parts so that then ideally once you have the feeling of rolling along the belly side of the body, you can approach it from different ways. But we will approach it right now from a shoulder stand, and feel free to switch sides back and forth. We don't have to be doing the same side. I will just talk through it about principles and not necessarily sides. Okay, so first you want to make sure that you feel stable in a shoulder stand. My hand placement that feels best for me is sort of this action. So it's like a bent elbow and then this hand is blocked out on the floor. And then you're gonna want to feel not overly heavy on the head on the floor as you start to just rock the weight into the feet and get the hips lifting up towards the ceiling. So ideally, you're not allowing the neck to be too open. That it really is that you're putting a lot of weight into the hand and the feet for now, and feeling the pelvis lifting up, abdominals lifting up, hiking the hips and reaching the sit bones up to the ceiling. If you feel like that's very stable for you, then you can just start by taking, wow, it's a nice hair on my toe, taking one foot off the floor and then trying the other foot off the floor, and you'll notice how that just changes the way that your weight shift happens in your shoulder stand. And you should probably try that on the other side. Hopefully Orlando zooms in on that hair for you later. So folding into that arm, hands down flat, and then starting to rock the weight, taking one foot off whenever you're ready. And then eventually when you feel ready, you can take the other foot off as well. You can use that bottom hand to help give you a little push if you feel like you need some more support. If you don't need that support, you can just rock both feet up towards the ceiling. Things to think about as you just start to get your shoulder stand balance are that your sits bones are reaching up. Often if you start to fall forward or back, that's just a good indication of where your weight actually is. So if you're falling forward, you need to send your weight back, which is a little bit scarier. If your weight starts to fall back and you kind of roll out of it, you want to put more weight into your right arm and think of lengthening your spine. So as I go up, I want to find a lot of length in my spine and not a round spine. Hopefully you could see those two variations. So it's very long. From that place, then we're going to extend the legs. And then from there, you're ready to start your fish roll. Hope that was helpful. See you next time. Bye.